Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the launcher style on this device. What I mean by launcher style. Basically, after you wake up the screen on your watch by pressing the crown button, you can press the crown button again to open the launcher. And here we have list of apps installed on our watch, and we can open them by tapping on the icon. For example, let's open the heart rate like this. And we can basically change the style of this launcher. To do it, let's open the settings. You can open them by tapping on the settings icon right here, or by opening the quick panel and tapping on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down, find the option called watch face and launcher, tap on it. Here, scroll down, at the bottom we have launcher option selected, and now as you can see we have two options, grid and list. The one I showed you before is the grid style. Basically you have apps listed in the grid, and the second one is list. Basically you will have the list of apps one by one. So let's select the list one, go back to watch face, press the crown button to open the launcher. As you can see, we have a list option right here. Let's bring it back to grid. So let's go back to settings, launcher and grid. And now when you go back to launcher, you will have the grid option. And that's how you change the launcher style on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.